Welcome back, everybody. So today we're taking a look at a 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560 Coupe Convertible. It's a 4.0 liter V8 rear-wheel drive engine. It says that there was an accident, minor to moderate damage, 10 service history records, and 24,000 miles last reported on the odometer. We're going to take a look at where that accident happened and take an in-depth review to see if there's any damages left. So the damage location you have on the front left and on the rear. So let's go ahead and take a look at that from our perspective. So this Mercedes-Benz in particular has a blue exterior with a cream interior. Taillights are beautiful. It's an AMG. Just wide for you guys. Alright, so we'll take a look at the tires really fast. Rims look great, no curb rash. Tires look brand new. Same for the front. I mean, you got brand new Michelins on there, brand new rims. From up close, I don't see any damages on that front bumper here. I mean, right here you can see that there was a license plate holder that was taken off. And alright, so these rims look just as clean as the other ones. Michelin tires. Same thing over here. Michelin tires, clean AMG rims. The rear looks good. No scratches. I mean, right here we can see one scratch. You see another scratch right here. But that's honestly pretty much it. The badge looks like it was debadged and then put back on, but you never know, that could come off. We're just gonna go right into it. Let's take a look at the interior. So much details in the interior here. Just amazing. Amazing comfort. I mean, this car rides like a dream. We're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Get the AC going in here. So everything in here looks pristine. I mean, you got the Mercedes-Benz car freshener, so all the original paperwork. Let's look at our miles. Alright, so here we have 25,000 miles on the odometer. So that's really good. Everything else looks good on the car. There's no service engine lights or nothing. Here we have our, okay. Let's connect the Bluetooth. Let's go to Navi. Make sure everything's on point. Okay. So we have that. Let me see. Yeah, we have massage. We do have the massage seats in here, which is a really nice addition. Dynamic seat. So this is really cool. Dynamic select. Engine data. Alright, so here we have our engine data. That's nice. Okay. So everything's good on the car. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Put the parking brake on and off. This is where the headlights are at. We'll look at this. That looks really clean. Oh, I forgot to. Let me do one thing. I forgot to. The drop top. How do we put that bad boy back on? What would it be over here? Let's see if it's in the door. I think you gotta open this. There you go. All right. Oh no, that's just for the. Okay, there you go. So that's for the drop top. All right. So the drop top's working nice and smooth. We're gonna go ahead and open that up. Open her up again. That's the windows and then. All right, so all the accessories are working correctly for the drop top. That's really good. AC is nice and cold. I'm gonna go ahead and turn her off now. We're gonna take a look at that trunk space. And then we're also gonna take a look under the hood. This has like a navy blue touch right here as well, so it kind of matches the exterior. It's a cream with the navy blue. So clean, super clean. And then you have the brown wood grain accents. Of course, you got speakers right here on the top, which is a really nice addition. Here you got a great amount of trunk space. Yeah. Let me go ahead and open this. Beautiful engine bay. Got that Mercedes-Benz. Nothing like it. And there you have it. The Mercedes-Benz S560 Coupe Convertible.